As we all know, board exams are ahead and we all are preparing for the exams, whether they are teachers or students. So, today I am discussing about a very easy and very uh, known topic, trigonometry. This topic is very easy, but sometimes we got confused while solving the questions because we don't remember formulas. Trigonometry has nothing but it depends on some identities, some ratios, and a triangle which is known as a right angle triangle. So we have to remember all the things and we have to discuss that in our today's session. So if I say, then trigonometry is base of your 10th class and it will go continue on higher classes like 11th and 12th. So the identities which we use or which we learn in our trigonometric chapter are going forward for your 11th and 12th session also. So, and one of the basic thing is that trigonometric covers the most ratio of your marks, like 15 to 16 marks will be considered as the part of your trigonometric identity. So trigonometry is basically depend on these identities: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. So these are trigonometric identities which can be calculated and which can be solved on the basis of this right angle triangle. Here one angle is 90 degree and other angles, let us suppose one is theta and other is phi. So the side on which the angle is inclined is known as base and the side opposite to the angle is known as perpendicular. If we take theta as an angle, then we say AC is the base and BC is perpendicular. If we take phi as an angle, then BC is base and AC is perpendicular. It will depend on the angle which you take to solve your trigonometric identities. So now what type of question you get in your exam? So the first question, and it is very common question which you get in exam, is whether they gave you the sides and you have to find all other trigonometric ratios, or whether they will give you one trigonometric ratio and you have to find all other trigonometric ratios. So let us first we understand how we find trigonometric identities with the help of this simple triangle. So I am taking theta as an inclined angle, then this is your base and this is your perpendicular. Now we have a formula: Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. P is perpendicular, B is base, H is hypotenuse, S is sine, C is cos, and T is tan. Hypotenuse will always remain same and it is the longest side of your triangle. So now if we say how to learn this, this is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So now if we see sine theta, then sine theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Now if we see cos theta, then cos theta is base over hypotenuse. If we see tan theta, then tan theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Now you said we get 3 from this. Now what about others? So cosec theta is inverse of sine theta. So this will be h over p. Sec theta is inverse of cos theta. This is h over b. And cot theta is inverse of tan theta. this is h over p. So these all are your trigonometric identities and whose formulas are this. We can find this with the help of this. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. So now what type of question you will get? Suppose you will get a question that in which you have given that in a right angle triangle the values of sides AB, BC and AC are 3, 4 and 5. So now you have to find the all trigonometric identities. So 3 is base, 4 is perpendicular. You can interchange base and perpendicular, but the longest side is always hypotenuse, which is 5. Here we can see one more thing. In a right angle triangle, suppose you are only given with two sides, one is base and one is perpendicular, then how can you find hypotenuse? So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So if we want to find this, then this is 3 square plus 4 square, which is 25. Then h is root of 25, which is equals to 5. So we get hypotenuse. Or suppose you are given with base and hypotenuse and you have to find this. So subtract this square minus this square and you will get this. So this is the basic formula from where you will get the other side if you are given with two sides of a triangle. I think the basic part is clear. So what we are talking about a question that we have given with three sides of a triangle and we have to find all other trigonometric identities. Now we have base, we have perpendicular and we have hypotenuse. Just put the values. Perpendicular over hypotenuse means 4 over 5. Base over hypotenuse means 3 over 5. Perpendicular over base, this is perpendicular over base, means 4 over 3. So you can easily put the values of all the identities and you get all trigonometric identities. This is your basic part of trigonometry, the first concept which you have seen in trigonometry. Now let's take another concept. Trigonometry has a lot of formulas and it's very difficult to mug up all, but this is 1. So now this is your sine, this is your cos, this is tan, this is cot, sec and cosec. These are basic trigonometric identities. Now 1. Here I have put 1. Why 1? Because if we see, sometimes we get 1. Like if we multiply these two, I have told you that cosec is inverse of sine. So sine into cosec is 1. Sine into cosec is 1. Similarly, cos into sec is 1. Similarly, tan into cot is 1. So this is the benefit of writing this one. And what is the benefit of making this diagram? That you can easily make formulas, you can easily construct formulas from this figure. It is very simple. Like this is 3 formulas. Sin theta into cosec theta is 1, then cos theta into sec theta is 1, then tan theta into cot theta is 1. So this is basic fundamentals of trigonometry. Now let's see one more thing. There are two things. We can go clockwise and we can also go anti-clockwise. So now if I say tan theta, what is tan theta? So this is tan theta, then tan theta is equals to sin theta over cos theta. Like if I take tan theta, then write other two trigonometric identities in as numerator and denominator, you will get the taken identity. Similarly, if I say sin theta, then sin theta is equals to cos theta over cot theta. Like now take cos theta, then cos theta is equals to cot theta over cosec theta. Similarly, you go ahead like cot theta is equals to cosec theta over sec theta. Then cosec theta equals to sec theta over tan theta. Then sec theta equals to tan theta over sin theta. So these are the trigonometric identities and we can easily get these formulas. Similarly, you can go anti-clockwise. Like tan theta is equals to sec theta over cosec theta. Then sec theta is equals to cosec theta over cot theta. So you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise. You will get the thing. So it is another easy way to learn the formulas. Now see one more thing. If you take sin theta and cot theta, you will get cos theta. Cos theta equals to sin theta into cot theta. Okay? If you want to prove it, you can also prove it like cos theta equals to, what is cos theta? Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole सोना चांदी तोले. तो cos theta is base over hypotenuse and sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse and cos theta is base over perpendicular. Why base over perpendicular? Because tan theta is perpendicular over base and cot theta is inverse of tan theta. So this will be cancelled out and you get b over h. Here also we have b over h. So this is proved. So you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if you take cos theta, then write left and right hand side identity and multiply them, you will get the middle one. So this is another concept from which you will get your basic identities of trigonometry. Now, one more thing which I want to tell you and which I want to share with you. Let's see. This is tan theta this, and this. So you have also seen one type of formulas like 90 minus theta. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. And similarly इसका inverse, like cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So this is the also important formula of trigonometry. Now let's take one more thing which are used in many ways. This is clockwise. I am going clockwise, right? So start from this and end here. You have seen sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. And similarly, tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta. These are the very important formulas which was always forgotten by students at the examination time. So you can draw this and you can easily remember these formulas. So these are all some basic formulas of trigonometry. If you join me, if you gave me an opportunity, then I will tell you more and more tips and tricks.